Okay, today we're going to learn how to use solving equations to figure out angles and triangles and quadrilaterals. So you've got this question. You're supposed to determine what these three angles are, A, B, and C, and the three parts of this triangle. But they give you the angles. They just say one angle is 2x plus 12. The other angle is 2x plus 2, and the other angle is 3x minus 16. Well, x is the same thing here. It's some unknown we don't know about. We've got to find out what x is, then we can figure out what the angles are. But we know that the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. And all we have to do is just add up these angles, but they're x's in numbers, and just let them equal 180. So that's what we do. We go 2x plus 12 plus 2x plus 2 plus 3x minus 16. Those three angles must equal 180. So there's our first equation. Just looks kind of scary, but it's not so bad because all you have to do, you see 2x and 2x and 3x, you can just add them together. They're called like terms. There's 7x there. And then you work out 12 plus 2 is 14. And 14 minus 16 is minus 2. On your calculator, you can sort of get that. See that plus, I can take that away. Okay, so now we want to get this 7x by itself. We need to add 2 to both sides. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so you've just got 7x. And 180 plus 2 is 182. Now the last step, we've got 7 multiplied by x is 182. We divide both sides by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1x. And 182 divided by 7, maybe you need a calculator, it's 26 degrees. Okay, now you take these expressions. Now we're going to figure out what each one of these angles are. There's 2x plus 12, there's 2x plus 2, and 3x minus 16. And all we do is we substitute 26 in there for x. So we go 2 times 26 plus 12, and we get 64. That's the angle A. 2x plus 2 is 2 times 26 plus, and it should be plus 2. So it looks like there's a mistake here. It should be 2 times 26 plus 2, and that would be 2 times 26 is 52 plus 2 would give me 54 degrees. It's a good thing I did this video. I can fix up the notes that I'm going to send you. Now 3x minus 16 is 3 times 26 minus 16. That looks like it will be 62 because it's 78 minus 16, it's 62 degrees. Now let's just take quickly a look at a quadrilateral. Well, it's just exactly the same deal. You take these 4 unknowns, and you know they all add up. A quadrilateral is made up of 2 triangles. So instead of being 180, it's 2 times 180. They all have to add up to 360. So you just take all of those angles on the outside, you put them all together, and you make it equal 360. Well, there's x, and there's a 2x, and a 3x. There's 6x altogether. There's 30, and there's 90. That's 120. Minus 72 is 48. Then you take 48 away from both sides. 48 minus 48 is 0. 30. 360 minus 48 is 312. Divide by 6 and you get x equals 52 degrees. Then you go back to your original angles that we don't know. We know what D is 90 degrees. But A, B, and C, you go x plus 30. Well, x is 52, so it's 52 plus 30. It must be 82 degrees for A. We substitute that 52 in for x. 2 times 52 minus 20 is 84 degrees. 3 times 52 minus 52, 3 times 52 minus 52, that's 104 degrees. And that's it. That's all of the stuff. You add up the angles inside with a triangle to equal 180 and with a quadrilateral to equal 360. And then you just solve it. Okay, well, that's kind of all there is for today. And I'll stop recording now.